everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is April and today I have a thrifted quick fix for you featuring my sister Lily. Recently we went thrifting together and she was searching for a new pair of jeans to wear, and she found this one pair that was in great condition and looked brand new, but when she tried it on, the zipper seam was popped open and the length of it is just a little bit too long on her. So today I'm going to show you how you can simply fix those problems on your pants at home and help you save some money. We found these jeans at our local thrift store for only $5. They look brand new, but a lot of people pass up on purchasing them because of the popped zipper seam. After inspecting the zipper, all that needed to be done was to sew a straight line to attach the zipper and fly back together. There are 3 layers to work with, so to make it easier on myself, I quickly hand sew the zipper to the fly first before sewing it to the pants. Once the zipper and fly are sewn together, I just lined up the jeans over the zipper, copying the original seam allowance, and top stitched the jeans to the zipper. I definitely recommend using a sewing machine to sew it back together to avoid the seam popping open again, and when you start sewing and end sewing, make sure you are back stitching so that the thread doesn't come undone. As you get to the bottom of the zipper and it gets more challenging to sew, I let go of the presser foot and manually turn the hand wheel to get as close to the bottom as I can. You can use a matching colored thread if you like, but it's not necessary because this part won't be seen anyways. And that's all there is to it. Now you'll definitely mistake these pants for being brand new. The next common issue we have with the pants is the length being way too long. I'm going to show you a super cool technique that allows you to keep the original hem, which is so great because jeans are all about their decorative stitching. First, decide where you want the bottom of the pants to sit and place your marking. Next, I trim the pants at the marking. Since we only need the original hem, I cut it away from the rest of the pants, but make sure to save about 1 inch on top for the seam allowance. Now, all you have to do is flip it over and face it right sides together along the bottom of the pants and sew as close as you can to the fold. It should look like this when you fold the piece back over with the original stitching showing on top. Notice how the seam allowance keeps lifting up. To keep it in place and make everything lay flat and look way cleaner, I understitched the seam allowance down with a matching colored thread. To understitch, fold the seam allowance up and sew at 1/8 of an inch above the seam. Now you can see that the hem is laying nice and flat. And here is the final before and after of the pants without the pop zipper seam. You can't even tell that we made any alterations to the length or that anything was wrong with the zipper. Overall, this took me about 30 minutes to do, and these pants only cost $5. Thank you guys so much for for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more quick fixes in the future, and I'll see you next time. Bye!